This is a Lambretta LI150 special with the 175 upgrade. It's had a full rebuild, complete restoration, engine, gearbox, all done by a qualified engineer who specialises in Lambrettas. It's absolutely 100%. The paintwork is to die for in the custom candy red. It's a candy apple red. Only selling because I got carried away with too many motorcycles, and scooters really isn't my thing, but I love them. I like anything with wheels and engines. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. I'll show you underneath. It's got everything that everybody wants. Like the Speedo apparently is very, very rare. I'll just open up the seat to show you how nice everything is. Restored to the highest standard possible. Hopefully it'll fire. Hasn't been fired for a while.